Looking for a great way to pack camera gears in any backpack? Check out the new version 2 camera cubes from Peak Design. Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's see what Peak Design has improved with their new version 2 camera cubes. These camera-specific packing cubes are perfect for taking camera gears in any backpack. It's also well integrated into Peak Design's own 45-liter travel backpack. First improvement is there are now 2 new sizes. In addition to small, medium, and large, there's an X small, which is extra small, smaller than small, and S medium, which size is in between the small and the medium. I have the S medium here. The camera cubes still all come in black, but the zippers, Peak Design's own Ultra Zips, the nice nylon canvas and seams are now all waterproof, along with the external grab handles that goes all the way around now, and these 4 loops, 2 on each side for Peak Design anchors. The camera cube can now be easily carried all by itself too with a strap. The S medium size measures a bit over 9 inches by about 12 inches and almost 6 inches deep. It's about 10-liter capacity. The opening for the V2 cube is now all the way to the edges, so it's easier to get the gears in and out. The S medium cube comes with 2 medium dividers, 1 small divider, 1 small shelf divider that falls into a half shelf, and 2 extra small dividers. There's also a floating pocket and 6 C-clips to attach the cube to the Peak Design travel backpack. Here's how the S medium camera cube fits in the 45-liter Peak Design travel backpack. It takes up half of the main compartment, leaving quite a bit of room on the top for another packing cube or a tech pouch, for example. By the way, this tech pouch is a great way to keep all the little tech accessories organized. I'll put a link to my thoughts on it in the description below if you want to check it out later after this video. Back to the camera cubes. The size of this S medium camera cube again is right in between the small, which takes up 1/3 of the space, and the medium, which would take up 2/3 of the space. Oh, and thoughtfully designed, the padding inside the cover can be removed, so the cover can be easily tucked away underneath the cube when the cube is used in a travel backpack. There are also C-clips to further secure the cube to these loops on the side of the travel backpack. On the larger, medium, and large camera cubes, there's also a side access hatch, and the small and extra small cubes can be mounted sideways, so the gears inside can be accessed directly from the side of the travel backpack. Too bad the S medium cube doesn't have this function. Here is how I usually load up the S medium camera cube. I have my Sony A7 camera with the 24-70mm G Master lens in the middle, the Tamron 70-180mm lens on one side, and the Sony 24mm G Master prime lens on the other side, and a little rocket air blaster. Overall, these version 2 camera cubes are great ways to pack camera gears, either inside the Peak Design travel backpack, or any other backpack for that matter, or by themselves with a strap. I'll have links to them with discount information from time to time in the description below. What do you use to pack your camera gears? What size camera cube do you think will fit your need? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to Peak Design for sending this out for me to try and share with you.